Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio, your favorite Nigerian American on YouTube. If you guys know by now, we launched a platform called nomadhomestays.com to upload pre-verified properties in Nigeria that people will be able to lease when they come to Lagos or any part of Nigeria. And today, we are coming to verify and show you another property that you can come to stay. I absolutely love this property here. It's a 3-bedroom duplex and it's off of Ajade Adesonya Road. Now that they've opened up the Lekki Coastal Road, it's a short drive. It's literally like 5 to 10 minutes. You're already in VI, you're already in Lekki Phase 1. It's amazing. But for now, let's go check out inside. I love. I want to move here. So you guys know the reason why I love this place. It's so simple, it's so elegant, and when you walk in there, it feels like you're in Europe or you're in a foreign place. Not because there's anything crazy, but because of the color palette and how simple it's made. It does not feel like a flashy Nigerian design. Obviously, the person that owns this apartment obviously doesn't live in Nigeria, so you can get that feel when you come in. Let's come in. So first of all, you get welcomed. Environmentally friendly apartments. So as you walk in here, you have this mirror that you can use to check your place out. You can drop keys, do all types of stuff, fanciness. And there's a guest toilet that you can use right here. Guest restroom. Very nice and clean. And here's the living room. I just love it. It's so simple and so cozy, so quaint. The lights is simple. I like it. I like the white lights. I like the TV without any TV wall. It gives it, and these beautiful accessories, it gives you that nice cozy space. So here you can easily fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people here, which is great for like an entertainment space with the family or friends. And this place comes with the TV. So the smart TV, I just love all the little decor, all the little lamps, the artworks. It's just so nice. Now look at this one. The dining table is here, accenting a nice backdrop with lights. You can, just nice furniture. This is real wood. I love the leaf. I just love it. It's just so nice. All right. So now the setup of this place, there's 1 bedroom downstairs, 2 bedroom upstairs. Let's check out this number 1 bedroom. So for people that have kids, or if you want to maximize the space, this is just perfect. Come and check it out. So you see, this gives like, dorm vibes, or like if you have little kids, like I can see if I'm in here, I'll have my daughter sleep here, another kid sleep here. There's a small ladder, and it's also not high enough. So I love this idea. I have a property in US where we actually put 2 beds in 1 room. So I think this is good for people with kids. There's a closet here. There's a place to sit, multiple places. There's a long length mirror, just so wonderful. And a very clean bathroom. Check it out. Very clean restroom. Love it. Just so nice. All right. So now let's go check out the kitchen. Come on. So here's the kitchen. So you have like a 5 cooker top, blender, hot water maker, heat extractor, pots, plates, spoons, forks, knives, everything that you need. Oven, microwave, and this gigantic freezer, fridge combo. So when you come in here for dirty December or any time and you have like a large family or you're entertaining, plenty of spaces for food and drinks. And there's also space out in the back where you can hang your clothes and do all types of stuff. And the washing machine is also in the back. Let me show you guys. Come and check it out. You can see the washing machine is out back here, and you can also dry your clothes out there. I think it's cool. All right. I love this. There's some intentionality in here because I help people do renovations. So there's always little things that I'm always like paying attention to. I love that if you're cooking and you want some fresh air, you can open the door. So she added an extra door, and you can have this one open and the net and still get some fresh air in without bringing mosquitoes and cockroaches in. So I think that is a cool feature. All right, and the deep freezer, if you're about that life. Let's go upstairs. All right. So you're back to this beautiful, quaint oasis. Let's check it out. So these are motion activated lights at night. You won't get to see them. Beautiful artwork to welcome you upstairs. Ooh, this is painted. All right, so once you get upstairs, you get welcomed by this also beautiful, warm presence. I love this decor. You have a sitting area for 2 or 3. You have a TV. You have these beautiful lamps and workstation. If you guys watch my videos, you know I always like to have workstations, but because I'm a digital nomad, working online is like a thing. So if you work online, all your people can be hanging out in the other room. You can just come here, do your calls, do whatever. And the lounge upstairs has a balcony. Come check it out. So if you need fresh air, you can always come here. And I love that the inverter is out here. So they have 24 hours of service in here. NEPA lights, gen, 24 hours. But just in case, because we're in Nigeria, there's an inverter system as a 3rd string backup to power. So you have no issues with that. I do love how this is tucked away. All right, so let's go inside. By the way, there is windows, so you can always open any windows that you like, that you want in here to bring in as much natural light as possible. So now that we're upstairs, let's go check out the 2 rooms, okay? So we are going to start with room number 1 to my left. Let's check it out. So here you go. Nice, warmly earthy room, nice, simple bed. You have your nice artwork and you have your nice sitting area, which I love this. So if somebody comes to your room and they want to chat with you, they don't have to come to your bed. There can be a nice sitting area, nice little dresser in here, and closets. So yeah, so you have closets here to do whatever you want. And then now each room again comes with its own bathroom, shower. So that's where we're at here. So again, clean, hot water heater. Everything is clean, fully tiled. So fresh is so clean. All right, so now let's go check out the other room. Ta-da! Now this is the master bedroom. Wonderful. So you have your nice dressers here that you can store things on. You have your TV. You have your nice king. I think this is like a queen king size bed. And then you have this closet for 2, for 3, or for 1. So you have this closet here. You have this closet here that you can, oh, this one is for like things that you want to like fold. And you have this closet here. So plenty of closet space. You even have a hanger up and hanger down. Lots of storage spaces all through this room. Now let's check out the master bath. It's a true master bath. So as you can see, hand washing, toilet, and this has a tub. So whenever you just want to soak, a tub is there for you to take a shower. Maybe you don't want to take a shower here, you want to take a shower here and wash, it's all good. And a nice big shower for this master bath. Look at it. I can run in here. So a nice big master bath. What I love about this place is it's so clean. It's so clean, so fresh, so clean. All right, one more surprise for the master bath. You do have a sitting area here, and I do love these curtains. So you can slide these curtains up and out. You can wake up in the morning and be like, what's going on out here? And then there's a balcony. Come and check it out. So there's this balcony here, which is so lovely. You can see who's coming to visit you, your neighbors, or if you send kids to play outside, you can just watch over them here. So I love this. Very, very cool. I love that there's a lot of space between the next building, which is lovely. Anyway, that concludes the tour of this lovely apartment. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed a tour of this lovely apartment. If you're interested in booking this place, visit nomadhomestays.com. I would also add the direct link underneath this video for you to be able to book this place. The rate per night for this place is 150,000 naira, which is roughly $100, 99 to $100 per night. and a bit higher depending on the season or demand or whatever time of the year that you're booking. But just know an average of 150,000 naira, which is roughly $100 per night for a 3-bedroom, 24 hours light, clean water, gated estate security. Very, very, very accessible. And then down the streets, they have this mall that they're opening up. All the restaurants that you want is there. So, and also with the Lekki Coastal Road, very accessible to connect with the different parts of the island as well. So if you're interested in this place, again, nomadhomestays.com. Check it out. We would love, love, love to have you be one of our guests in one of our verified properties at nomadhomestays.com. If you're also looking for a residential nature-inspired area that's directly outside of Lagos, visit thegreenparadise.com. We are selling plots of land, bungalows, duplexes. We'd love to have you as part of our community as well. Check it out. This place is in Ogun State, right outside of Lagos. And lastly, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.